So CPT is not an independent status. It's just a type of work authorization still as an F1 student. So you need to make sure you're still a full-time student. That is very important. And some of the programs are not eligible for CPT, such as those English language programs. Those are not eligible. And we have to show this practical training. Basically, the position you're taking at those companies are directly related to your major. And the major here is referring to the major of your CPT program. All right. And then we also need to show this program, like your CPT work, is kind of like part of your program, the integral part of the established curriculum. So that's for the benefit of your study. So we have to show the relationship here. And also the rule actually asks for the sponsoring employer to have some sort of cooperative agreement with the school. It's getting a little technical here because in the past, we haven't really seen USCIS raising this issue, but recently we have seen some. So what kind of agreement does this have to be? I know some employers may not have such agreement with the school. Some schools do have a very formal agreement. Some may just ask for a statement. So there is some flexibility here. All right. And if you apply for the CPT and you work under CPT for more than 1 year, full-time, only full-time. Full-time means more than 20 hours a week. Then you won't be eligible for the post-completion OPT anymore. What if some of the students may ask, like, oh, what if I have already had OPT in the past and I am currently in a program at the same level? Then am I still allowed to use CPT anymore? Yes, the answer is yes. During the last administration, so during the Trump administration, there was some new policy regarding that, using up all the OPT time and then use CPT again. That was an issue during the Trump administration, but right now, not anymore. If you used OPT in the past, you can still use CPT, even that's the same educational level. All right, and one more thing to remember, that you can only start working after the DSO has already endorsed your CPT. So you cannot start working without that I-20 showing your CPT has been granted. So those are some of the compliance requirements of CPT.